Are you lost on the island of Pantrapico? You need to charge yourself and your devices to stay connected with your friends and survive on this island. Introducing the Shapetech 4-in-1 charging cable, setting a new standard in ultra-fast charging and connectivity. Here's why it's the ultimate companion for your devices. Experience ultra-fast charging with a blazing 65 watts for your devices. Need high-speed data transmission? We've got you covered with an additional 27 watts. Multi-device charging just got easier with our 4-in-1 cable. Lightning to Type-C, Lightning to Type-A, Type-C to C, and Type-C to A. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, AirPods, OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo, Michigan, Samsung, MacBook, and Type-C laptops. Car charging friendly, making it the top choice for on-the-go charging. Share the charging port with friends and co-passengers hassle-free. Get the Shapetech 4-in-1 charging cable today and redefine how you charge your devices. Fast, versatile, and built to endure. Shape your charging experience with Shapetech. Shapetech, powering your devices anywhere, anytime.